Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share a photo editing trick for pre-wedding photos on Canva mobile. First, go to Canva and then choose your size. For example, I will choose Instagram post. You can choose another print size. Now upload your photo, or I will use just a Canva element. I will use this one. Okay, I will crop it, and then I will put it here like this, and then go to element and add a circle, this one, and then increase the width like this and place it here. So I have to rotate it. Okay, like this, and then duplicate it, place it here like this. I will double click on it and move it here, and then done. And move this circle down a little. Alright, and then change this circle to the same color as the background, which is white. Okay, and then add a square. Go to element, add square, change the color to white, and then make it like this. It's like a bar, and I will place it here to divide this photo like this. Duplicate and place it here, and then go back to element and add shadow, this kind of shadow, and rotate it 90 degrees, reduce the size, and first I will move it, this bar, to the top a little. Okay, move the shadow here, increase the size, and then duplicate, place it here, reduce to has the same height, the same length, duplicate and place it here. So it will add a 3D effect for this photo frame. Now let's add another photo. Upload your photo. I will choose a Canva element here, and then I will remove the background. Okay, I will just crop it, increase the size, and then I will rotate it like this and place it here. Okay, I'll place it here, and then go to element, add some element like this green plants with butterfly. Okay, I will place it here and add more elements like this gold flower plant with butterflies illustration, and I will change the gold to, I will change this color to green, this, or you can choose another green here. I will make it like I have to move it here, and this green will be matched, and then close and reduce the size, and I will move the first here, and this one I should increase the height a little. Okay, and then I will add a butterfly. I will choose this one, reduce the size, and then I will place it here to add some balance here. And then if you want to make it like for reels or some kind of animation, just add an animation of the butterflies like this one. Okay, but I will not add it now. Okay, just for a display purpose in my social media. Alright, and then okay, so now we have it. If you like this tutorial, please share to your social media and hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next video and have fun with Canva.